Good afternoon, and thank you for having me join in this special event. While I wish I could have been there in person, I'm grateful for the opportunity to join all of you virtually and to celebrate the tremendous accomplishments each of you have made in Washington. It is with great honor that I accept the National Alliance on Mental Illnesses Leadership Award. I want to thank the NAMI Eastside team for their tireless advocacy, education, and support for all those living with mental illness and mental health conditions. And I want to thank each of you who are here today, advocates, donors, volunteers, and community leaders, for supporting this vital work. I believe that mental health is a defining public health challenge of our time. While many young people across the country are speaking more openly and honestly about their mental health, still too many people are living in the shadows, afraid to talk about their struggles and ashamed to ask for help. That's why the work that all of you do each day to break down stigma and shame is so urgent. Part of the challenge we face is the growing loneliness and isolation that people are facing, particularly young people. When people are socially disconnected from one another, their risk of depression, anxiety, and suicide increase. This past May, I released a Surgeon General's advisory on our epidemic of loneliness and isolation because our mental health is inextricably linked to our relationships. It's essential that we rebuild the social fabric of our lives and our communities because our bonds with one another, they are one of the most important safety nets that we have. Your work to change culture and practices and policies around mental health, this will help us address the challenges that stand before us. You are not only providing paths to healing, but you are also providing hope and inspiring a new generation of changemakers. I know the last few years have taken a toll on all of us, but all of that makes your continued compassion and dedication all the more extraordinary, and I am so grateful for it. When I think about the future that we're leaving for our country's young people, I think often about my own two children, who are 5 and 7. I think about the world in which I want them to grow up and the support systems I hope they will have. I think about the immense challenges that they may face, but also about the role models and the community that I hope surrounds them. I'm grateful for people like you who are working toward a better world for my children and all of our children. So thank you again for this incredible honor, and thank you for helping us create a society with more kindness, generosity, and love. Take care and enjoy the rest of the event.